Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this XIAOMI smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on additional settings. Now select languages and input, manage keywords, and Gboard. Finally, just click on text correction over here and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn them back on by tapping on the same, now grey switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!